Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make kingfish, Cajun rice, and fried cabbage. We're going to start off by boiling our rice. According to the package, for this video I did use parboiled rice. After rice has finished cooking, we're going to saute some peppers and onions. I did use the frozen blend just for a shortcut. Next we're going to add in the cooked rice, and we're going to stir this up very well so the peppers and onions can be mixed all through the rice. Now we're going to add in our seasonings. I'm going to use some chili powder, some paprika, and you could use whatever Cajun seasoning that you like, but I use Tony Chachere's. After adding all your seasonings, we're going to mix this up really well, and now you have your Cajun rice. And now we're going to get into making the fried cabbage. You're going to need 1 carrot and 1 head of cabbage. You're going to cut your cabbage into wedges, and then you're going to slice them. After slicing the cabbage, we're going to rinse them off. You could use a colander or a strainer, whichever one you have. After rinsing off your cabbage, we're going to go ahead and grate up a carrot. In this video, I did use a smaller grater. I do prefer the box grater. That way that you can have thicker slices of carrots. After grating up your carrots, you're going to go ahead and cut up a whole onion. In a medium saucepan, we're going to heat up some oil. In this video, I use grapeseed oil, but you can use the oil of your choice. But if you are going to use grapeseed oil, make sure it's on low to medium heat because this oil will burn. Add a little seasoning to your oil, and this is optional. After oil is heated up, we're going to add in our onions. We're going to caramelize the onions. We're going to stir in our carrots. Once that's stirred up, we're going to add in a little bit of vinegar, and then we're going to mix in our cabbage. After adding your cabbage, you want to cover it and let it cook 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, we're going to remove the lid and give it a good stir before we add in our seasonings. For our seasonings, we're going to add in 1 cube chicken bouillon. We want to add in some onion powder, some garlic powder, a handful of sugar, and some Cajun seasoning. After adding those seasonings in there, we're going to add in some pepper. We're going to give it one last stir. We're going to let it cook for an additional 3 to 5 minutes, and your cabbage is ready. And now we're going to get into our kingfish. You want to rinse the fish off, pat it dry. In a cast iron pot, you're going to spray the pan. You don't have to, but I did. And add your oil in there, oil of your choice. But this video, I did use grapeseed oil. And again, like I said in the early part of the video, make sure that this oil is not too hot because it will burn. After oil is hot, this is optional. Add a little seasoning to your oil, placing your kingfish 1 piece at a time. And I didn't season my fish before I started frying it. I waited till I put it in the pan and started seasoning it. Normally I do pre-season, but you could do it either way. and it still comes out good. You're going to cook your fish 5 minutes on each side. Once you flip the fish over, you're going to season that side because, again, like I said, I did not season it before I put it in the pan, but you can. That's your choice. On this one, I did not because I knew it was going to come out good either way. And I only used two seasonings for this fish, which was the Tony Chachere's and some pepper. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.